Kelvin, you know that Fujitsu system is a perfect example of why plumbers should stick to plumbing unless they do HVAC.
Yo,
They have no idea how to flare refrigeration lines.
yeah, they put,
So, guys, watch this. Watch this video come up right here. Plumbers, a licensed master plumber installed this dual zone ductless, and of course, the flare connections are leaking. And hey, and make sure you subscribe. Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. It's the one and only Mikey Pipes. And this morning, first call, emergency call came in over the weekend. We have a 2-zone Fujitsu heat pump system that isn't working. It's not that one. Oh, by the way, guys, thank you so much. We're at 3,000, over 3,100 subscribers to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you like content like this video coming up right now, please do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. So right now I just have the power off, the disconnect. I did not install this system. I got my Yellow Jacket heat pump manifold set up. As you can see, the system is off and she's definitely low on pressure. And we found the leak inside. I'm gonna grab a couple wrenches, aka torque wrenches. Let's find my little mini cutter. No, it's not this side, it's on the other side. No, where is it? Kelvin moved it. Oh God, Kelvin. Now I don't know where my mini cutter is, and he's got to come up here and find it. Anyway, head on downstairs and I'll show you the leak. Oh, okay. So I'll show you. Got a leak right there. See that? So I use the big blue micro leak detector. We checked that fitting there. I didn't check this one yet, but it's gonna be hard with all the spray foam up in there. Oh God, why people do this, I don't know. That one looks okay. There was another one over there. On the other side of this wall are two 12,000 BTU units. So we gotta fix that leak right there. Calvin has this little mini tubing cutter, and Calvin said he got it from his school, Lincoln Tech, right? And what's bad about this little tubing cutter, or what's not good, and I'll show you in a second once I finally cut through this, right, is that it lacks, oh, hold on, it lacks the groove on the wheels, right? It lacks that groove in the wheels to cut off a flare. There you go, Calvin. You should throw that into a pond. All right, let's flare this thing up now. You know what? Let me give myself a little more room here. Okay. All right, where's the flaring block? There we go. Yellow Jacket flaring block. I'm gonna put that on there and flare this bad boy up. Let's see. Kelvin will hold the phone. Kelvin will do the honors. Why is it so tight? Okay. So it's 1/4 inch. Put that right there. Slide the slide over right there. Close that. Slide the slide back over again. I'm gonna lock this into place. Damn spray foam. All right. Now when I crank this bad boy down, I want to look and make sure that the little cone that makes that flare sits center, which it is. And we're gonna keep churning this until we hear a click, like that, see? And now we open it back up, and we should have a perfect flare. You know, I could have also used the spin, which hooks up to a drill and flares it that way. And you know what, as numb and cold as my hands are right now, probably wouldn't have been a bad idea. So there you have it. And I wonder if they use some of the dope or something on this. Hopefully not. All right, let's reconnect. Kelvin,
Yo,
how come you didn't throw that into a pond yet?
I don't know, man. It's just, you know, it's small, you know. It could be used for other things, you know.
It can be?
Yeah.
The only thing that little thing is good for, circumcisions. All right, we're on our way to another service call. This one is just the annual backflow device test. Homeowner's got a double check valve, so we're gonna go there and I'll make a quick little video, show you how we do that. Stay tuned.
Open test cock number 3. Check valve should hold at least 1 PSID to pass.
Okay, hold that there. So I can see this thing too as well. So we're gonna open check valve number, shut off valve number.
Open test cock number 3. Check valve should hold at least 1 PSID.
She's open and she held. Oh, no, she dropped. Look at that. Check valve number 2 failed. That old one wasn't being salvaged. So we got the Watts 007 M3QT, 3/4 check valve, 3/4 press coupling, 3/4 press male adapter. Retested, passed.